You shouldn't waste the doctor's time with trivial ailments. Get something at the chemist's right now. I took a day off work yesterday. It was nothing serious, just a slight cold. Children should have a balanced diet, with lots of fruit, vegetables, and water, and only a few sweet things now and then. A terminally ill patient prefers to diet at home surrounded by his loved ones. Turn the music down. I got a splitting headache. Flu is not a serious illness, but it can be life-threatening for elderly people. I got a dull ache in my back tooth, and I hate going to the dentist's. My sister was taken ill. She apparently was in excruciating pain and was sent in the hospital. My doctor prescribed a new drug to alleviate my backache. It worked perfectly after 2 days of treatment. The prevalent incurable diseases may be conquered one day if the scientists continue to make progress with the drugs. Healthy eating and regular vigorous exercise help me stay in a good shape, as if I were 20. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like, share, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos.